This is a fully restored 1916 Underwood 5 standard typewriter. It is in excellent condition and it is ready to type. This 1916 103-year-old typewriter has been restored to new condition. It has beautiful black glass keys with new key legends. All new decals. All new rubber. The platen, the feed rollers, and the rubber feet are new, of course. New ribbon on metal spools. About the only thing I didn't do is have the nickel replated. There are some spots on the nickel that are a little worn, but I kind of like that. It adds to the look of it. Oh, the ruler is also new. There's also a video of the machine when it was disassembled into hundreds of parts, and each one was cleaned by hand. And really, that's the only way to get a machine like this to new condition. There's over 200 hours of labor into this. But it is a beautiful machine, and I believe it's the closest thing to a new Underwood 5 you'll find anywhere in the world today.